Κούραση ρε φίλε. Andrea. Hello, Andrea. Kalimera, 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 my lovely followers. Kalimera, good morning. Good morning. The weather is really nice, it's really hot, it's not windy at all. That is not so good. Apostolia is coming, she don't know I'm live. I'm gonna maybe scare her. Let's make a little fun. She don't know I'm live. Bah! Tell me that you are scared. Huh? You are not scared? Really? I am watching you. I try to hide here to scare you. I'm an old man, so I have to be... She wants to make live on me going down from here. She's so bad to me. I'm not gonna go down, Apostolia. I still have power. 51 years old, but still power. You see, you come to give me a hand. Oh, this is the best friends ever. Me and Apostolia. Where you go? To the puppies, to the mama, to the new mama. I'm coming soon. Apostolia. We are good friends, so we are working and we need to make jokes. So our life will be more good. So here we are working for the dogs as always. We put some more little stones around so it will be more easy for cleaning. Maya! We have the tables for the dogs and now we put more little stones. It's like a white carpet. Puta paz, more. Καλά είναι εκεί. Bravo, Andreas. A very good worker, Andreas. We always do the best for the dogs. We are trying to do the best. And they live so happy here. Hello, guys. Hello, Díaz. Okay, now let's go to visit the mama, the new mama, Morfoula. It's a cute name, Morfoula. Morfoula and her puppies. Hello, guys. Hey. Hello, guys. Hello, guys. So here is the mama with the puppies. Morfoula. Morfulitza mu. Look at her tail. Morfoula mu. Κορίτσι μου, look at her tail, how happy she is. What a beautiful girl. She has no fleas anymore. Morfoula, 10 years old. And she's so happy to be here. She's so happy to be here. She's lovely, mama. Oh. She's a lovely mama. And her kittens, hi there. The kittens. And her puppies are so cute. And they will get, today they will get pill for worms. Pill for worms. Yesterday they took pill for ticks and flea. Now they are nice and clean. They love it here. They love it. They love it. Even if she was living 10 years in that village, free, here she's more happy. She loves her puppies, kittens, puppies. 6 beautiful puppies. Six beautiful puppies. Θα πρέπει να τους βάζουμε και καμιά κονσερβούλα. Είναι πολύ μικρά. They are so beautiful. They will be small size dogs. They will be around 10 kilo maximum. Like the mama. Oh, did you see what she did? She gave you her paw. This one there, who's looking like the mama. Look at her nipples. She gave birth all her life. No more fleas. She gave birth all her life. Look at these nipples. You beautiful Morfoula. Για σήκωσέ τη λίγο εδώ τα δοντάκια της. Δεν έχει, ναι. 10 χρονών είναι. She's about 10 years old. And she's so beautiful, so beautiful. And the puppies are so cute. They play there. Ναι. The other one is sitting in the plate, eating. Happy tail from the puppy. And water, fresh water under the trees. I want to be here also to live in this group. And I want Takis to come to serve me. Huh? I need a holiday in Takis Shelter. Apostolia. I need a holiday. And my holiday will be here in this group together with Morfoula. Apostolia will come to bring me food, will put water. Somebody else, the guys who are cleaning will come to clean the poop. And I will have nothing to worry about. Oh, look at them. Happy puppies. Happy puppies. Oh, Futomore. Hey, Mama, look at the smile she has. She has a big smile. Mama has a big smile. She's coming, look. She's amazing. She's so calm, so calm. She deserves to have a home. If anyone wants to adopt any of them, send us a message. They will be ready to be adopted after about 40, 50 days, nearly 2 months from. The puppies and the mama, they are more happy here than in the place where they was living. In the place where they was living, they was hiding. Here they are not hiding, they are playing and they are happy. That means a lot. I know that the old lady, she did her best. She called me and I'm not charging her. This is what she can do and it's good from our side that we take the mama and the puppies away from there. She asked for help and that is very good. She didn't let the mother and the puppies in the road. She called us to help them. She knew that she can't take care of them. So we don't need to say bad things about the old lady. We don't need to say anything bad. The dog is happier here and that's fine. She's happy, look. She's so relaxing. So relaxing. Okay, now I have to go. Because my phone is ringing all the time. And I hang up the phone, it means that I'm busy, but they keep going on, they keep going on. I am not tired of helping 1,000 animals, really. I am not tired of helping 1,000 animals if I have. I'm tired of people, really. I'm tired of people have no respect. I'm tired of people want me to fix every little problem they have. I'm tired of people have no responsibility of the animals they take and after they throw them away. I'm tired of seeing so much pain to the animals because of people. I'm tired of people, that's why. I'm really tired of seeing so much suffering to the animals because of people. So I'm tired of people. Huh? Not all of them, of course. We have lovely people, but I'm tired of the people who are contact me and give me all this drama all the time. Hello, Takis. You know, I have a dog, but because I will divorce with my boyfriend or girlfriend, I have to give the dog. And I don't want to leave it in the streets. Can you take it? So many times this story. Anyway, I have to go now. Have a lovely day. I will update you later again. Bye for now. Bye-bye. Sorry, I'm honest that I'm tired of people, but that's the truth. I can't hide. Humans are the most stupid animals in the planet. They are the only animals, they destroy the planet, the home and everything. And we think that we are the most intelligent animals. We are not. We are the most stupid animals, human. All right, I'm not talking anymore. Apostolia, let's go. Bye-bye. And the pay.